Hey guys, it's Daisy and who are you? This is Huckle, and today we're showing you our favorite squishies to play with. If you didn't already see my new video, I got an eBay package and these ones. So, sorry, we're out of breath. This boy almost fell down the stairs and I caught him. Why are you looking at the camera so salty? Okay, so it's like a new set. You want to smell? Okay, so it's this girl. You want to try?
Okay.
He said, I like it. Yes, you like it?
Yes.
Okay, so this is her. She has like a really pretty dress on. She smells like coconut. Okay, now to the new package. I am picking random. Okay, so first there's this panda bun. Really nice. Okay. Next, there's like this little thing. I don't know what it is, but I think it's like a Tokyo roll.
Mama.
Here. Smell it. I think one of my brackets should fall. Let me see. Thank you. Okay. Next, there is this pink macaron.
Mama.
You never played with that, baby, so be careful. Go. They all have like the same scent besides the big girl. So yeah. Next, let me see. Okay, next there's this little kawaii mushroom.
Mama. Mama.
We're watching Big Hero 6, like the series. Mama, you already chipped off the paintbrush. Look, we'll grab a new one. Okay, next there's this little heart.
Mama.
Like it has like a little bear face on it.
I will have.
Okay, let's do another one. Go.
I think the
See. Okay, so next there's this thing. I don't know what it is, but it's like looks like a slipper.
Mama. Mama.
I'll just keep showing you guys while he plays with one. Okay, and this one looks like a Rilakkuma squishy, but it's not like those cracking ones. But it ain't. Brah! Ew. Okay, guys. Next, there's like this little popsicle with his little face.
Mama.
Okay, next there's like this little empanada. Well, not empanada. Pan dulce. No. Next, there's this squishy. I actually painted over it because I hated the face.
Mama.
And I got these today, guys. So out of all these, my favorite has to be this girl. This is a soft and slow, and I don't know what brand these are because I just got a 10 mystery pack. And the panda pen is my favorite. Let me. Oh. It's wet. And it smells disgusting. Hako, what you eat? You ate a lot of beans. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is my second time posting today, guys, so you're welcome. And please, please, please follow me on TikTok. I'm 30 away. And the next 30 get a shout out on my account. So if you want a shout out on TikTok to get more followers, there I am. Just follow me. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. And I hope you liked my special guest, Kobe Coco.
Mama.
Say bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Say it. Bye. Okay, let's take the camera off. Say bye. Bye.
Mama.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye.
Mama.
See y'all later.